Hi people, welcome back to the channel. I've got new brake fluid that needs to go in, so rather than doing this myself, taking a few hours, the guys at the garage have all the tools, and then we've got our downpipe. So that's the front section. This will bolt up to the turbo, go all the way down, bolt up to this piece, and then round, and then all the adapter to the OEM exhaust and bolts and stuff like that, all in there as well.
Where are we?
At the garage.
What's it called?
Victoria Bodyworks. They do all the work on our cars. But yeah, as you can see, the exhaust is done. It's come out a little bit, which is perfectly fine now that I'm good with that. We'll pay the guys, we'll get the keys, and then we'll show you the first startup. Better.
Look at that smile on his face.
The turbo's spooling a lot quicker. You can feel it pulling, innit?
Yeah.
Way quicker.
Right guys, so we're going to enjoy ourselves in the car till we get home, which is going to be about all of 2 minutes.
Yep.
And then we'll see you guys later.